One day in my small terrace garden, I seriously noticed this ixora plant neglected, abandoned for some months, I think. The leaves were yellow, the branches were thin and weak. There was no growth at all. The soil seems to me perfect, loose and airy. So what's the reason? So I pulled out and saw the main root system was completely damaged by the ants and mites. But the new tender secondary roots gave me some hope. So if you are really interested to know what I did and what was the result after 2 months, so please stay tuned till the end of the video. First I cut all those the damaged roots. Then apply some insecticides and fungicides. And report the fresh soil mix. This soil mix I usually use for other house plants and other flowering plants. It is my universal soil mix for my house plants. Then after 1 week, I apply a balanced liquid fertilizer NPK to its half strength once in a week for quick result. And after 1 month from my reporting date, I apply this DAP to get flowers and see the result after 2 months. Now you have got an overall idea about how to grow a ixora plant, what are the requirements like the sunlight, the fertilizer, the soil mix, everything. And if you are facing the same problem with any other house plants or any other permanent flowering plants, you may follow these steps. I am sure you will get definitely a better result and hope this video will help you in some way. Thank you so much for watching this till the end.